else could the boy have done? Wasn't flight both an escape and a great uplifting? And so he flew. But how could he appreciate his freedom without knowing the exact point where freedom stopped? So he flew upward, and the sun dissolved the wax, and he fell. But at last, in his anticipated plummeting, he grasped the confines of what had been his liberty. You say he flew too far. He flew just far enough. He flew precisely to the point of wisdom. Would it have been better to flutter ignorantly from petal to petal within some garden forever? As a result, flight for him was not upward escape, but descent, with his wings disintegrating around him. Should it matter that neither shepherd nor farmer with his plough watched him fall? He now had his answer. Laws to uphold him in his downward plunge. Cushion enough for what he wanted.